G'day, this is a little test of a script I've done for just using ALSA and Jack for a system-wide audio system with no pulse audio, no pipe wire. So as you can see here on a simple screen recorder, it's got these little numbers here because it's not using the Jack input. It's printing out down here what it's using ALSA. Now if we go to the interwebs, just shut this here, close that up for a bit. If we come down to, we'll move the graph over so you can see it connects automatically whenever you like from the browser or whatnot. So if I push play, we got a bit of a Linux weekly daily. Van and Jill, check it out.
Hey
it's
everyone,
great.
welcome back to Linux Weekly Daily Wednesdays, where we
So
sit
you
back,
see
relax,
here,
take that midweek break, talk about some of the fun things going
Graves
on in the world
popped
of Linux
up.
and open source. I'm Vince Stone. That is Joe Bryant. Everybody.
So if I wanted to connect that to Reaper
3 p.m. Eastern-ish.
to record,
My UPS isn't screaming.
this is what I love about Jack. You just drag.
And that's an annoying squeal too.
Now this computer's running on 2 gigabytes of RAM,
I'm willing to live with it, but we gotta do a show,
really
so I had to cut it
old
off, and it was fighting me on
and really slow.
moment. Plenty to talk
And it
about
seems
this
to be
week. Nothing
working
exciting
great.
happened today at all.
So if I go into Reaper now,
We're going to be talking about handheld Pentiums, a really cool keyboard PC combo that
I'll
I
just
think would've been
disconnect the
fantastic
speakers
waiting to have,
from
like 20 years ago.
Van
We
and
was getting
Jill.
into Linux PCs, and of course I got my hand digits on the Orange Pi 6, and I'm going to tell you about some of the things that I
And
discovered.
we'll bring up an input
But
on
first,
Reaper.
let's play a little bit of catch up. See how
Well, I've got a bit of feedback going on
it comes to
because of simple sound recorder.
what I've been paying attention to.
So if I disconnect these,
Just the, I don't even want to say
if I disconnect Reaper
what passes for social
on the
media,
system,
but Mastodon,
yeah.
you know, I got curious enough to
Okay, that should have got rid of the feedback.
Mastodon instance and like, okay, how does this stuff actually work?
So now you
And
can
type
record, and we've still got one here,
where I missed
a bit dodgy.
the Mastodon is
Oh, see? I'm talking to the little microphone. I'm recording a video to testing this thing out. So now that should be feeding into Reaper, which is down here. And if you wanted to record, obviously go ahead, hit record. This thing might crash because it's so only 2 gigabytes of RAM and stuff. Is that only picking up my voice? Yeah, that's no good. I wonder what. Is that because I disconnected it from the system? Oh no. It's because I'm capturing. We want to capture 3 and 4.
Together and put it together, and I'm
Yeah,
very
that
happy
should
to
be
see it. Just wanted to
recording
give it a bit of a shout out. If you haven't gotten into Mastodon,
And my voice should be
it's
getting
there.
recorded
It's
in
getting there. I'm not
simple
gonna
screen
run
recorder.
out and start cheerleading
If I
because it's
come down
completely
here,
different than what you're used to. I can just imagine
It
if
should
you've
be recording
grown
my
up
voice in Reaper
the
as well.
world of
So anyway, we'll stop all
Twitter
that.
and your
But I'm just super impressed with Jack. Always have been. So this is a simple script. Really simple script. You can, for the moment, we'll turn. So you'll see when I turn stop, just push pause, it's disappeared. Oh, come on, push pause. Where's the pause button? Pause. Oh no, it's still connected because I've got it connected to Reaper. So that's pretty good, because I thought there wasn't persistence. So anyway, I'm not a dev. I did all this with a chatbot. There it goes. It's finally disconnected. Yeah, it doesn't have persistence. I thought so. So if you wanna, you can adjust the volume obviously when you're watching your programs and stuff. So if you're interested and you want to try it, I haven't tested Bluetooth yet. I'll have to get there and try that. If you head over to GitHub, I called it Jack Bridge. It's got, you know, your usual setup. Clone it. There's a README here. The license. The old fashioned one. These are the packages it installs. So it pretty much makes an init, like adds the init script on boot to boot Jack at the start. So it's running. Installs QJack control so you can use the graph and stuff. And yeah, it's just Jack and ALSA. And if anyone knows what they're doing, knows how to code, and wants to add anything to it, it'd be great. So it's pretty easy. You just get the script, but you got to get rid of pulseaudio, pipewire, the pulseaudio volume control GUI that's usually down in the front there. Anyway, thanks for that. Check it out. Thanks to all the awesome open source technology.